Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got Mick here. Say hello.
Hello.
And he said hi Mick.
Hi Mick.
We've got a Buxus in the workshop today. It was a tenner from Tesco, but I got it given. So Mick wants something to play with, so we're going to let him play with this Buxus, see what he can do with it.
Probably not a lot looking at it.
What you like to do is give it out first, see if there's anything
Get down
underneath.
into them roots and see.
Just have a look. So I'm going to play on the Xbox while Mick's is playing with this.
Yeah.
Until he gets down, we'll have a look, see what we've got. If you want to join us on the Xbox, my name's Eildon Jesus. So what I'll do is, I'll bring the video over here, the camera, and just have a bit watching Mick playing with this. Are you going to talk and all that?
No, you don't have to do that bit. I don't talk.
I'm going to kick us in the back and just say, hey, you need to see this.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'll bring the camera over. We'll probably speed it up while he's getting the soil and that off until we get into a bit further in and see what we've got. Here we go. Go on, Mick, have a play.
Right, let's see what we've got under here.
There's a new little chopstick for you.
Gravel. Right,
Have a play.
let's get into it then.
I'll be on the yes wall, mate.
Yeah. Oh,
What's that?
big
Trunk.
trunk. Big trunk. So we might actually have something.
That's better than all that bit at the top, isn't it?
Yes, as you can tell, my tools don't get used much. They're nice and new.
He's just took the plastic off it before he got it out of the bag.
No, not off this one, mate. That's the other one that's at home.
His cut paste got the sell-by date on it as 1979.
So I bought it when I was a year old. Nice one. Why have enemies when you got frenemies, eh?
Aye. Need help for that, huh?
Right.
Doesn't look how clever out of it.
No. All the roots are on one side.
Let's sort that out though.
Yeah, they're all on one side. But we do have a trunk. Which is what I didn't think we had. I think, if I'm honest,
How's that?
no, if I'm honest, I think all that there
Maybe it'll have it.
needs to go.
You need a branch down here, though, don't you? What, and just make something out of this?
Well, like you say, it's all one clump in here. This is definitely not an easy one.
let's shut that. You try and make something out there, but you kind of pull back on once it's gone.
I know, and they're clumps, air clusters.
Put that middle out.
Huh?
Put that middle out.
What I said originally.
Not all of it. Just like these ones there. Yeah. I'm not getting that look.
Right. I really don't think this is going to make anything, you know. You got a trunk there. Problem is, it's going to be buried to there, isn't it? And then that's going to be the main trunk.
I don't know. So you need someone on there to do that. And pull these down to fill in that space.
Yeah.
You know them? Well, they're not snapped out like.
Do you want the big ones like?
What? No, you might stop.
I'll let you use my big ones. The special ones. What do you want? Knob cutters or branch cutters?
Just the branch.
There you go. Yes folks, this is what Ryan would like to have.
Right into there. And green. These down into here. That into there, but them's too long then. Right?
Or here's another possibility.
What's that?
Right. We'll just windswept the top.
Bring it over that way.
Yeah, just windswept it. Because that's probably all you want to get out of it.
It's a shell of pipe.
Yeah, pretty much. And then carve a bit of this out later on.
Yeah, it's
Wants to be deeper, doesn't it?
that'll work.
Right, I'll prep this one.
Oh, look, he can't put his wire on the outside because it's got mesh on. Oh.
Do you really want me to put them on? I can still put them on if you want.
No, it'll wobble the pot.
Are you sure?
Positive, Hinny.
It won't wobble the pot.
Positive, Hinny.
It's got feet. Oh.
So Mick's getting it into the pot, but he's had to off-centre it because the roots was all the way over here. And we're just playing with the tray, it just really didn't want to use a good pot on it. So he's going to add some wire now, and we're going to have a look to see what we can make.
Which is not a lot.
Yeah, you're only practicing, man, and only something to play with. So if we get... No, you're not playing with all them out there, mate. You can play with that. So he's going to add some wire on. He'll probably tap about 10 hours, so I'll speed the video up. Hello, Mick.
I used to like you.
So, I'll zoom it in a bit. And we'll keep an eye on him.
Someone has to.
If anybody wants us, I'll be over there playing the computer. Mick's finally done his tray, haven't you, Mick?
I have.
He only started it 3 days ago, so...
Horrible wiring. One of them, like.
That's why he's got a beard, because he's never left the workshop.
I haven't. Been here all the time.
So we'll see what we can make out of this little fella. So Mick's added a bit more wire onto these couple of branches, just so we can get them somewhere there, just for now. So Mick's on cleaning the towels. He's not happy with the way my towels look, so he says he's going to clean them, but they'll only be dirty again. So this is the Buxus. Yeah, front's about there. Just a little bit branch placement, considering it was a ball when we done it.
With no trunk.
With no trunk. So we found the trunk under the ground. It'll make something eventually. Gonna let them grow, cut them back like normal, get thicker branches into it. This is the trunk that was under the ground. All these are just sticking up. So from a £10 Buxus, which I got for zilch, we've actually created something that looks half decent. Like, looks like something, doesn't it, mate?
Getting there.
Better than what it was, wasn't it?
Oh, definitely.
So what we'll do now is just let it grow, go wild this year, revisit it later on. But it just shows you what you can make out of raw material from a garden centre or Morrison's, where that was from.
Tesco's.
Was it Tesco's?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. The Tesco's on the...
Did it on the live? I don't know, for now, so it doesn't matter. So what Mick says Tesco's, I can't remember where the ticket is, but he'd be right.
Well, I might as well just go the full hog and say it was Asda as well, give them all a mention.
So it was Morrison as the Tesco's garden centre.
Yeah.
So if you ever see that shopping centre, just pop in. But that's just showing you what you can create from raw material. It's been a laugh doing the video, especially with Mick again. Isn't it, mate?
It's absolutely lush
So
doing videos over here with you.
That's it, cheers, mate. That's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. What do you say?
Ta-da, folks!
Ta-da, folks!